Hello everyone, Monika here. Welcome back to my channel at Tasty Meatless. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious yet simple and quick recipe, and it is very suitable for breakfast. We only need 3 main ingredients: egg, milk, and flour. Whisk the egg finely and then add the milk. It is only 40 milliliter fresh milk and 1 egg, and we only need a pinch of salt. After it is finely whisked, we can add the flour. We only need 45 grams flour. Mix them well by stirring it. In here, I suggest that it is better to use a fork, because if you use a whisk, it will be troublesome. Like you can see, I changed it to the fork because we can make a wild mixture with a fork. You may adjust the flour depending on the consistency, because it depends on the egg, how big is the egg. So you can adjust it accordingly, about 45 to 50 grams of flour. Make a good mixture of the batter, and let's check the consistency. This is what I need for the consistency. After that, heat up the pan with just a little butter, about a 1/4 teaspoon of butter. After the pan is hot, pour in the mixture into the pan. As I use a small pan, so I divided into 2. So if you use a big pan, you can pour in all together to make a big pancake. Just use a medium-high heat and about 3 to 4 minutes for each side. Oh yes guys, you can also use cooking oil or olive oil, any oil that you have for cooking. If you don't have butter, you can also use a margarine. You may have a peep at the bottom, and if you see that it is already golden brown, you can flip it and toast or bake it for another 3 minutes. Give a light pressure on it to make sure that the bottom is baked or toasted evenly. So guys, this is a very easy recipe that everybody can make it. It is so tasty. It is also very healthy and very quick to do it if you have no time in the morning. You may enjoy it plain or with your favorite jam or honey. Thanks much for watching. I hope you like this recipe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it, and comment. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and you want to support this channel, please consider to subscribe, and don't forget to switch on the notification bell so you will not miss if I post a new video. Thanks again. Bye.